Okay, everybody, wanted to make a quick video about the C's and A's for the Texas Tigers Hockey Organization and where the organization would like to have the C's and A's placed on the jerseys. So notice that if you get a C or an A, you're going to have two C's and two A's to match both your home and away jerseys. Obviously, the black jersey does not get the black C, it gets the white C. You'll notice that it will match the numbers that are on the sleeve. So in this case, this is 2 layers of fabric, an orange fabric over a white fabric, orange fabric over a black fabric. They are on plastic when you get them. They will have adhesive. The adhesive is designed to help it stick so that it can stick to the jersey while it's being sewn on. So in this case, black C on a white jersey, white C on the black jersey. Here's how we line it up. The Tigers would like for you to have the inside edge here of the C or the A in alignment with the nose of the tiger. So essentially here, we're going to do that like this. Sorry, videoing and holding this is not the easiest. So essentially somewhere there. Additionally, we want the top of the Gemini logo to line up in about the middle of the C. So roughly there is what we're looking for. We do not want the C to be out here. We don't want it down here. We don't want it up high. Essentially, we're looking for right here, consistency across the organization, multiple different parents, installing C's and A's across the organization. We want to have some consistency about where they land. So that is the goal. Now, peel the adhesive off the plastic, stick it on the jersey. That will help hold it in place. It does need to be sewn on. It's a regular needle. You're going to want to sew through the orange to sew the C on so that it adheres. It's a single stitch. Some people are hand stitching them. It becomes a single stitch. You can see here, it's a single stitch. We're not asking you to go pay a fortune to have the C's and A's put on. If you've got the ability to do it, it's not that difficult. If you need some help, reach out. We'll help you get it coordinated.